In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a SIM card in the new iPhone 16, which I have right here. Now, first off, you can actually see, if you look on the side panel here, there's no actually opening, like to actually open the SIM card as there is on one of these. This is an iPhone 11, and it goes up to the 14, where you can do the typical SIM card method, where you can actually find the slot on the side of the phone, which you can see right here, which you can actually just use like a toothpick thing and take it out and physically put it in. But the iPhone 16, on the other hand, now has an eSIM. There is no physical SIM card on the side of the phone. So you just want to set up the eSIM. This means it works electronically. There's no physical thing. So you just go to the settings on your phone, click on cellular options here, and from here, all you want to do is you scroll down to the option called add eSIM right here. Now, if you already have one, you can delete it and add another one, but I'm going to add one. And once you click on this, it will take a second to load, but you want to choose your provider, or actually choose another option here, or from here you can transfer from a nearby phone, or use QR code. I'm going to use Verizon, because that's the one of my choice. It can be AT&T, T-Mobile, etc. And when you click on continue, you just want to enter in your wireless number, whatever this is, any phone number, that one that you want to add to this phone, to actually add cell service, and to actually send text to people, you just want to add that here, along with your billing zip code. And when you click continue, it will basically be set up on your phone. I also would recommend checking with the provider, logging into their website, and seeing if you can actually transfer that SIM card into this phone right here. Electronically, of course, because physical SIM cards are a thing of the past.